Hey, what is up, guys? So, as you might have known in the previous updates, YouTube has launched this address verification thing. If you have a YouTube channel, you have to enter in your address and you will get a pin to verify the same address, and only then you can earn money from your YouTube account. So, as you can see, I have received this kind of mail in the post, and I thought I would receive it by email, but I have received it by post. Okay, so at my YouTube AdSense account, I'm gonna go ahead and click into enter your pin section, and as you can see, I had already requested for a pin about just 2 weeks after they had sent me the pin. That is, they had said that they'd send me on 2nd of July, but I received the pin after 1 month. So as you can see, I've entered and verified the pin, and all is good to go. And now even that bar which is telling me to verify my address is gone. So now I'm gonna go ahead and refresh my AdSense page. And as you can see, the pin verification tab is gone. So anyways, that's how you do your address verification in your Google AdSense for YouTube. You will receive it by post in the mail and not on your Gmail account or any of your email accounts. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and peace out.